Alright guys, so I'm just having it pressed down to the bottom. So now I'm gonna cover it and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. That's the mixture you want to get it, guys. That's a dough you want to form. So stay tuned while I have it placed in the pot. I'm having my natural season cut up. And this is the garlic. I have like 4 pegs of garlic. I'm gonna leave 1 peg for the oil. Cause you know I like to have that flavored oil, guys, with the garlic. For the pepper, I'm gonna take 2 slices. For the pepper, I'm gonna take an extra slice. And then for the scallion, I'm gonna go ahead and have them chopped. And then I'm gonna have the sweet pepper slice, guys. You guys could chop it, you guys could mince it, but I'm slicing them today, guys. And then for the onion, I'll just dice it like this, guys. And then I'll cut right there just like that, guys. Then you want to add 2 tablespoons soy sauce, guys.